The term voiceover artist has certainly come up before. However, when you imagine someone who works in voiceover, you probably picture them in a studio far from their house, speaking into a microphone in a formal setting. And occasionally, that is how things go. Though not always. In actuality, thousands of individuals work exclusively from home as voice actors. They can work whenever they want, and they frequently decide how much they want to be paid for using their voices. And voices.com is where they find the jobs. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money and ways to wisely make money online. Today, we will be talking about how you can earn money by being a voice talent. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. Voice.com calls itself the #1 voice marketplace. Over 2 million users have signed up since 2005 to collaborate on voiceover, music, and audio projects with companies, creative teams, and voice actors. Over the years, the Voices platform has expanded to the point where it now offers a voice talent to well-known companies like Shopify, Microsoft, and GoDaddy. Additionally, it is now home to more than 2 million voice actors who are based in 160 different nations. Voices is a tool used by voice actors and job seekers to find possibilities. With more than 500,000 jobs listed on the platform, it is very likely that you may discover a job that fits your specialization, your skill set, and the client's budget. Therefore, Voices.com is among the greatest locations to go if you are a voiceover artist and want to apply for many job opportunities. You can find a number of jobs to audition for if you want to sign up and join the Voices.com voice talent community. Clients of Voices.com frequently require voice actors for audiobooks, e-learning videos, TV commercials, video games, mobile apps, film projects, and other projects. Internet videos are the most sought-after category for voice-over work on Voices.com. These could be explainer videos, product videos, marketing videos, or social media videos. These are quick 60-second videos that describe how to do something or introduce a new good or service. In the last 2 years, the labor category of internet videos increased by 199%. Anyone can register on Voices.com to offer their voice services. Just your name, email address, phone number, username, and password are required to create a free account. No matter where you live in the world or what language you speak, Voices.com frequently needs people who speak multiple languages with diverse accents. 160 nations are represented among Voices.com's users. You can also choose to pay $499 per year to upgrade your membership to Premium. Although it is not required, it does give you a greater selection of job opportunities and access to more features on Voices.com. In addition to other benefits, Premium members receive higher profile rankings on Voices.com, the ability to audition for jobs that are posted publicly rather than only by private invitation, performance-related statistics to monitor progress, and access to monthly performance coaching webinars led by the top coaches in the field. After registering, you may start creating your profile. Since this is what will sell you to individuals looking for voiceover talent and match your skill set to the greatest chances, you should make sure it is as precise and comprehensive as it can be. Basic details like your name, age, gender, location, and languages will be induced on your profile along with a headshot and, most importantly, demos in the form of MP3 files to demonstrate your talent to potential clients. After creating your profile, you might start receiving private invitations for voice-over work in your inbox. If you are a premium member, you can also go audition for publicly posted jobs, and thanks to Voices.com's Voice Match TM algorithm, you will be invited to audition for roles that fit your particular skill set. Sending a brief message to the client, outlining your free, followed by reading a passage from the script and recording the audio in your home studio, are all that is required to submit an audition. Then you can email it back with your finished MP3 file attached. The higher your review rating is, the more likely you are to impress the following interested customer. Clients are able to submit ratings reviews, and compliments on your profile after working with you. You should always provide high-quality files to maintain your profile star rating, which will be displayed in relation to previous reviews. You have complete control over how much money you make thanks to Voices.com, which allows you to establish your own prices for tasks you do. It may be difficult to determine what to charge if you are new to voiceover work. Voices.com claims that the sum should change based on the kind of project you are working on, the duration of your recordings, and other elements. To assist you in deciding what range your prices should fall under, they have a helpful rate sheet here. These fees range from $100 to $2,000 per project, but the possibility for some larger ventures is practically limitless. You are free to set your own prices however you see fit. There is occasionally worry about a client not paying for work you have finished while using middleman services like Voices.com, where they essentially act as the go-between for you and your clients. Thankfully, Voices' SurePayTM secure payment system collects clients' cash and holds them safe while you work once you are hired. This ensures that you will be paid for any job accomplished. Funds are released directly to you via PayPal or check after your client has accepted your work. Every Friday, payments are distributed. Voices.com has implemented a wide range of trust, safety, and security protocols to ensure that voiceover artists have a secure environment in which to work because they understand the importance of trust when you are providing personal information and creative work on a platform you are unfamiliar with. Voice employs a combination of automated tools and manual procedures to review each project and make sure it complies with stringent content guidelines and budget restrictions, in addition to community guidelines that foster a good atmosphere. Clients and talent can both rate and review their interactions with one another thereafter. Voices cares deeply about its users' online experiences and wants voice actors to succeed. You and your work are taken care of on the platform, from upholding the strictest privacy and data protection standards to guaranteeing you always get paid, thanks to Voices' SurePayTM payment protection service. Voices.com is there for you every step of the process. From setting up your account to responding to your first job posting. Resources for everything from getting started to interviewing for employment to productively working with customers are available in their thorough and in-depth help center. The knowledgeable support staff at Voices is accessible Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and can help you out at any time if you get stuck. Along with the help center, Voices.com offers a library of often updated blog entries, podcasts, YouTube videos, webinars, and a carefully chosen list of voiceover coaches, all of which are intended to help voice talent advance their careers and genuinely thrive in this creative business. Voices.com has made an effort to make sure that its voice actors may always feel active in and engage with both voices and the broader industry. They are frequently interested in hearing from local voiceover artists and have a significant online presence on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. So the query is Voices.com a real website? This question will come up pretty frequently if you go through several Voices.com reviews. Voices.com is legitimate, so yes. To fulfill the needs of its many customers, the business has built a reputation for employing voice talent from throughout the globe. Millions of voice actors who have registered on the platform have access to voiceover employment, which is also confirmed. Voices also boasts a stellar A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. Check out a company's rating on the Better Business Bureau if you are trying to determine how trustworthy it is with its clients and employees, because it says a lot about how well they run its enterprise. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and until next time.